Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to issue 61 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 by our good old mates at DeAgostini. Now, you want to grab this for yourselves and build along with me, folks. Head over to the DeAgostini website by following this link. There's a clickable version below in the description. And you too can be building this iconic Ford Mustang in 1/6 scale. Let's have a quick shufty through the magazine. This is 1983, Return of the Mustang convertible. Very 80s wedge design there, folks, isn't it, eh? This was the same variant, but in like a dark yellow. This was the Mustang on display at Denver in October 82, prior to its launch in 83. There you go, and it sat there with a 65 convertible. Still prefer the 65 myself, but personal preference. Here's what we've got today, folks. This is all the dashboard dials going in, so we're going to need the dashboard surround from the previous issue, which is just there. And then we're going to be putting in all of the decals, the instrument surrounds, etc. So we're going to be doing that today, folks, okay? All the different gauges, so check which one you're detaching and make sure you're doing it 100%, because this is a one-shot deal on these, folks, okay? This is all the different dials, how they're going to look on your Mustang, and what your dashboard is going to look like at the end of today, folks. Look at that. Oh, doesn't it look beautiful? Next up, you've got James Dean, screen legend, died very, very young. James Dean, bless him. Age of 24. It's no age, is it, folks? Come on. But yeah, still a legend today, bless him. But yeah, sadly departed after a bad road accident. Oh, it's a shame. This is the Indy 500 over at Indianapolis. That's the legendary competitions section. You've got up the top there, the pit crews there doing their thing, refueling cars and changing the wheels. And then you've got Jim Clark there in the Lotus 38. Bless him, also died very young. And that's the magazine done, folks. Let's have a quick scoot back and we'll keep this at our disposal so that we can get these instruments in the right place, folks. So we'll get all our bits laid out like this, and then we'll start a bit of assembly. Right, we've got everything we need now, folks. And we want to detach the lower right-hand sticker, number E, which is this one. So that's the one we're after today, folks. That one. Let's just get rid of the middle part. And we want to put it right at the bottom on here. We want to make sure that that is orientated the correct way as well. So let's just check this. So let's grab this, get this in the correct place. So you want to try and get it as level as we can. There you go. We then want 61G, which is this one. Put that on this side as near as we can. And then we want C, which is up there. So let's grab you. Like I say, I'll get it as near as damn it as I can. And then that will be the last one, will be over there. So relatively straightforward. You're matching up what they look like on the paper, basically. The easiest way of describing it. Let's grab that one. Make sure we're orientating that one correctly. So that goes down the bottom, around about 6 o'clock-ish, like that. And then last but no means least is this one, like that. Let's just pull that out of there. And that's your gasoline there. There you go. That's that done. Let's lock those in place. And now we can go around and put our little studs in. So we'll start with the large dials, get the lenses for those in place, like that. And then it's asking us then to press a stud in place, one of these, like so. So we want to get them in situ, like that. Line them up and press them firmly in place, like so. And you're basically pinching the decal between the two. Is what you want. Another large one there. Get another button. Can only go one way. Let's just check the other way just to make sure. Oh, we'll go like so. That's that. And then we can start doing the same on these ones now. And then we can do the same now on these. And press the pin firmly in place. Grab our tweezers. Just press them in there. So we can press that in. And that'll retain that in place. And then just carry on until we've got all of these in. Grab your pin. And press that bad boy in there. And then I just use the edges of my tweezers on the pin just to press it in place. And then we got our last one now. Looking rather nice though. Like so. Grab our little pin. Press that in situ and send it home. So that's those all sandwiched in now, looking rather splendid. So we're going to lose the little bit of paper now, and we're now just going to lay these in the back of this chrome strip now, folks, this section here. Okay, so we just want to give that a little polish, get rid of any gunge like that. And this is going to go on these two lugs at the back there, folks. Okay. Just slide them in place, just like that. And then when you spin it over, that's what you've got. You've got your gauges. Looking rather nice, aren't they? I think so. So yeah, more than happy. More than happy. So there you go, folks. That's what we've got today. We've got this big old bad boy. So that's where we're going to leave it today. On our Mustangs, looking rather splendid. I will then try and get my smudge off of the side of that, but for the moment, hey, it is what it is. On the next issue, we'll be attaching this to the back of the dashboard and getting ready for that. In the meantime, you want to grab this for yourself, folks, and build along with me. Follow this link here all the way to the DeAgostini website. Bosh. Also a clickable link below in the description, and you can take out a subscription for this iconic model, folks. Also, to help me out, click the little festa in the corner there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Really does help me grow. Also, whilst you're there, just ring the all button, the little bell, and that will give you notifications for upcoming content. Until then, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.